Drowning in debt and not sure where to start? It feels overwhelming, I know. You see all those bills piling up, and it seems impossible to get ahead. But what if I told you there's a simple, super effective method that can help you become debt-free, and it's not as complicated as you think? It's called the debt snowball method, and it's all about building momentum. Here's how it works. First, grab a piece of paper and list out all of your debts, from the smallest balance to the largest. Don't worry about the interest rates for now, just order them by the amount you owe. This list is your roadmap. Now, for all your debts, continue to make the minimum payments. But here's the key. Take every extra dollar you can find and throw it at that smallest debt at the top of your list. We're talking laser focus. Maybe that's your coffee money, a canceled subscription, or that refund you just got. Put it all towards knocking out that first, smallest debt. Once that smallest debt is paid off, and you will pay it off faster than you think, it's time to celebrate. This is a huge win. Seriously, do a happy dance, treat yourself to something small and affordable. This celebration is crucial because it keeps you motivated for the next step. Now, take the full amount you were paying on that first debt, the minimum payment, plus all that extra cash, and roll it over to the next smallest debt on your list. This is why it's called a snowball. Your payment amount grows bigger and bigger as you roll down your list, knocking out debts faster and faster. You just keep repeating this process. Pay off a debt, roll the payment to the next one, and watch your financial freedom grow. Want to speed things up even more? Think about ways to bring in a little extra income. Maybe you could freelance, sell some things you no longer need, or pick up a side hustle for a few hours a week. Every extra dollar you earn can be thrown at your debt snowball, making it grow even faster and accelerating your journey to zero debt. And finally, to make sure you stay on track and don't fall back into debt, you need a budget. A simple monthly budget helps you see exactly where your money is going. It ensures you're living within your means and not accidentally creating new debts while you're working so hard to pay off the old ones. Consistency is your best friend here. So, are you ready to start your debt-free journey? You can absolutely do this. Take that first step, list your debts, and start rolling that snowball. If this was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on managing your money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.